is Shona Chakravarti. I'm here at Akar Dentistry with my husband Prashant Narayanan. So I just wanted to share that all my life I've been really terrified of even the sight of a dentist's chair. But then I found Akar Dentistry run by Dr. Dhananjay and Dr. Ankita, and I just want to say that they have completely eradicated this phobia that I've had all my life, which has always kept me from getting the treatment I badly required. So finally I found them and I've started my treatment. So far it's been totally painless and very enjoyable in fact. And I have to say, to be honest, I look forward to coming here, whenever I can. So I try to stretch my treatment as long as possible because there's an extremely positive vibe in this place, and both Dr. Dhananjay and Dr. Ankita have grown to become people I can actually call my friends now. So they don't feel like dentists and doctors with these scary equipments and stuff. It's all just very comfortable and very family-like, and yeah, they're just the absolute best. So I would recommend everyone to come here, whenever they feel they need any kind of dental attention, big or small. And yeah.
And I need to say thank you to me also because I keep getting you over here.
And that too, whatever you say.
And obviously the very big thank you to the Raka of Akar, and I think that what people here have done is a really huge favor because I see the kind of pain that Shona goes through, or the kind of troubles that she goes through because of all these things that she has. And I think Dhananjay and Ankita have done a fabulous job of taking her out of this misery. And I really recommend everybody to kind of come and enjoy this experience that we've had over here. In fact, I'm still scared of it, but then seeing how she's looking so happy and contented, I think I should just kind of start getting some servicing done at least beginning from next week onwards. Yeah, best of luck to the Akar team. I'm sure they will do more fabulous jobs.